so he gets all the praise. Oh, God made everything, so he gets all the praise. I can see what God made. I can see what God made. Oh, I can see what God made. I can see what God made. Everywhere, 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 everywhere. Oh, I can see what God made. I can see what God He made. Everything, everything. It's a matter of fact. It's a matter of fact. Everything, everything. To the moon and back. To the moon. He made everything, everything. It's a matter of fact. It's a matter of fact. Everything, everything. To the moon and back. To the moon and back.
Follow me through, follow me through. Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
There we go. Hola, friends. I'm Luis the Handyman. Today, I'm watching my friend's pet fish. Aren't they beautiful? I just love all of their colors and how their little fins move when they swim. They are so much fun to watch. Did you know that God made all the fish in the whole wide world? It's true. And God made all the beautiful birds too. God made everything. Say, that reminds me of a true story from the Bible found in the book of Genesis. Do you want to help me build it? Oh, great! Hammers up, little builders. Ready? Uno, dos, tres, hammer! Great job, little helpers. You can put your hammers down. Now we just need our story tools. Yep, we have everything we need. Today's true story from the Bible begins in the very beginning. In the beginning, there was nothing. Nothing but God was there. On day one, God made light. On day two, God made the sky above the water. On day three, God made the land, plants, and seas. And on day four, God made the sun, moon, and stars. So, when did God make the sea animals and birds? Can you do a drum roll with me like this? Day 5! God made all the sea animals and birds on day 5. That's right. Can you hold up 5 fingers? On day 5, God made everything that swims in the sea. Oh, God didn't just make one kind of sea animal. God made jellyfish and clownfish and octopus and dolphins and giant whales. Did you know that God even made the puffer fish? A puffer fish is small and can puff up really big. And God also made the axolotl. It looks like it's smiling. God is so creative. Can you make a fish face like this? Great job! Now, can you move your fins like a fish? Like that? Ah, nice. You look just like fish swimming in the sea. Now, do you know what else God made on day 5? God made birds. And God didn't just make one kind of bird. God made hummingbirds and eagles and bluebirds and owls and geese and cockatoos. Did you know that God made the owl so it could turn its head almost all the way around? God is so creative. Birds are amazing with their wonderful colors and shapes and wings. All different, but all so special. Can you pretend to fly like a bird? Oh, yes, look at that. Wow, what beautiful birds you are. God made the sea animals and the birds on day 5. When God looked at what he had made, God saw that it was good. Everyone say, that's good. Ready? That's good. Let's see if we can remember all the things God made that we know so far. On day 1, God made light. On day 2, God made the sky above the water. On day 3, God made land, plants, and seas. And on day 4, God made the sun, the moon, and stars. On day 5, God made sea animals and birds. Great job! But God wasn't finished yet because God made everything. Hey, let's see what you know. What did God make on day 1? That's right, God made light on day 1. Can you tell me what God made on day 2? That's right, God made the sky above the water on day 2. Can you tell me what God made on day 3? Yes, God made the land, plants, and seas. Now, can you tell me what God made on day 4? Yes, God made the sun, moon, and stars. Can you tell me what God made on day 5? Yes, God made the sea animals and birds. That's right, you are so smart. Now, when you look around at the great big world and see fish and birds, you can say, wow, God made everything. Hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who made everything?
God made everything. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who made everything?
God made everything. That's the truth, friends. Adios.
Hello, everyone. We invite you to explore this week's Family Activity Guide. You can download it from our Facebook parent group, our website, or access it directly on your phone. Inside, you'll find engaging activities that make it easy to nurture your preschoolers' faith at home. It includes clear talking points, guides you through a simple and fun activity, and it guides you through prayer and much more. Choose when and how you like to use these wonderful resources, and you'll be amazed at how much our preschoolers learns right alongside you. We have one amazing in-person Sunday service for kids. If your family is interested in attending in-person service, please join us on either our Birmingham, Alabama, or Columbus, Georgia campus. For more details about the in-person service on the campus you attend, special days when we worship together in the main sanctuary as a family, and much more, please visit faithchapel.net/family for more details. Enjoy your day.